PayPal error code 130113, commonly seen as login failed, prevents access to your account. This video will explain what causes it and, more importantly, how to fix it. This error is still widely reported, with PayPal's Help Center noting it as one of the top 10 login issues. The 130113 error originates from problems within PayPal's authentication process. This system uses OAuth 2.0 protocols combined with multi-factor authentication to verify user identity and prevent unauthorized access. One primary cause is incorrect login credentials. When users enter the wrong email address or password, the authentication system rejects the login attempt, triggering the 13113 error. Another common root cause involves issues with two-factor authentication. Problems can occur with SMS verification codes, authenticator app issues, or when verification tokens expire before use. The system may also flag login attempts as suspicious through fraud prevention measures. This happens when PayPal's AI-driven anomaly detection identifies unusual patterns, such as logins from new devices, different locations, or after VPN usage. These root causes are all interconnected within PayPal's authentication ecosystem, which includes device fingerprinting, IP verification, and biometric options to ensure account security. Start by double-checking your email address and password. Ensure they are entered correctly without typos. Next, ensure your caps lock key is turned off, as it can cause password entry errors. Check the indicator light on your keyboard. If you use a password manager, verify that it's correctly autofilling your credentials. Check that the correct account is selected. Finally, try manually entering your credentials to rule out any autofill errors. This can help identify if the issue is with the password manager. Remember, a common cause of this error is simply entering an incorrect email address or password. Browser cache and cookies can interfere with PayPal's login process by storing outdated or conflicting data. To fix this, clear your browsing data. In your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data and make sure to select cookies and cached images and files. The process is similar in different browsers. For example, in Firefox, use the Clear Data option to remove cookies and cached content. Additionally, ensure that cookies are enabled in your browser settings, as disabled cookies are a common cause of PayPal login problems. Ensure JavaScript is enabled in your browser settings, as PayPal relies on it for secure login processes. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes disrupt IP checks, triggering the 3113 error due to PayPal's fraud prevention algorithms detecting suspicious activity. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your PayPal account, but issues with 2FA can trigger error 13113. Let's explore the common 2FA problems and their solutions. First, confirm that 2FA is properly enabled on your PayPal account. Visit your account security settings and verify that two-factor authentication is activated. If it's disabled when you expect it to be enabled, or vice versa, this mismatch can cause login failures. For SMS-based 2FA, ensure your registered phone number is correct and that you can receive text messages. Carriers sometimes filter SMS, or there may be international restrictions. Try requesting a new verification code to confirm SMS delivery is working. If using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, make sure the app is correctly configured with PayPal's QR code. Incorrect setup or app data corruption can prevent code generation. Rescan the QR code or re-add PayPal to your authenticator app if needed. Time-based one-time passwords, TOTP, in authenticator apps rely on accurate device time. If your device's clock is wrong, codes will be invalid. Check and synchronize your time settings through your device's system clock, or use an app like ClockSync for automatic updates. Account holds and restrictions are another common cause of PayPal error 13113. When PayPal detects suspicious activity or needs to verify account details, they may place temporary holds that prevent login until resolved. First, check your PayPal account for any holds or restrictions. Log into your account dashboard and look for notifications about account status or pending verifications. If you can access your account, review recent transactions and account activity for any indications of holds. These holds are typically put in place for security reasons, such as fraud prevention or compliance checks. Second, try logging in from a different device or network. This can help determine if the error is specific to your current setup, such as a device that's been flagged or a network with unusual activity. Switching devices or networks often bypasses temporary restrictions and allows you to access your account normally. Finally, if you suspect your account has a hold or restriction, contact PayPal support directly. They can verify your account status and help resolve any issues. Use the PayPal Assistant or contact support through their website or app. Provide details about the error and any account activity for faster resolution. If you're using the PayPal app on iOS or Android, start by ensuring it's updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can have bugs that cause login issues like error 130113. For Android devices, clear the app's cache and data. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, find PayPal, go to Storage, and clear both cache and data. For iOS devices, manage storage by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find PayPal, and either offload the app or delete and reinstall it. Additional steps include restarting your device, checking app permissions in Settings, and reinstalling the app if the problem continues. If you're still unable to log in after trying other troubleshooting steps, it's time to reset your PayPal password. Start by visiting the PayPal login page and clicking on the Having Trouble Logging In or Forgot Password link. Enter your email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account and click Next. PayPal will send a password reset email to your registered email address. Make sure to check your inbox, including the spam or junk folder. Open the reset email and click the Reset Password button or link to proceed. Create a new, strong, unique password that includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using the same password across multiple accounts. Once you've set your new password, try logging in again with your updated credentials. If none of the troubleshooting steps have resolved the PayPal error 13113, it's time to contact PayPal support directly. They can offer personalized assistance tailored to your specific account and error situation. PayPal support can access detailed information about your account to diagnose the issue and provide targeted solutions. Make sure you have your account details ready before contacting them. To reach PayPal customer service, call 0203-901-7000. You'll be given a one-off code 470614 that expires after 1 hour for quicker service. Support is available 24/7. Additional resources include the Help Center, Community Forum, and Resolution Center, where you can find more guidance or connect with other users experiencing similar issues. PayPal employs several authentication protocols to ensure secure logins and protect user accounts from unauthorized access. The primary protocol is OAuth 2.0, a secure authorization framework that allows applications to access user data without requiring direct password sharing. PayPal also uses CAPTCHA, a challenge response test that presents distorted text or images to verify that a human user is attempting to log in, preventing automated attacks. Device fingerprinting collects unique characteristics of your device, such as browser type, screen resolution, and IP address, to create a digital fingerprint that helps verify your identity during login. If there's a mismatch in any of these authentication protocols, such as an unrecognized device or failed CAPTCHA, PayPal triggers error 3113 to protect the account from potential security threats. PayPal employs artificial intelligence to combat login fraud by analyzing user behavior patterns, device information, and login history in real time. This AI-driven system significantly reduces overall login errors by blocking suspicious attempts before they succeed. However, it can sometimes produce false positives, mistakenly flagging legitimate logins as threats and triggering error 13113. Modern AI systems now incorporate predictive two-factor authentication prompts, which anticipate potential security risks and prompt verification only when truly needed. This approach is expected to further lower error 3113 rates by making authentication more efficient and accurate. With mobile payments becoming increasingly dominant, PayPal has seen a significant shift in how users access their accounts. Currently, about 70% of all PayPal logins occur through mobile apps, up from just 60% in 2023. This mobile-first trend has brought new challenges. Mobile-specific issues are now a major contributor to login errors like 13113. Operating system updates on iOS and Android can disrupt app functionality, causing authentication failures. For example, an iOS update might change how the app handles cookies or security tokens, triggering the error unexpectedly. In response to these credential-related errors, PayPal is pushing toward passwordless authentication methods. Passkeys, which use biometric data or hardware security keys, eliminate traditional passwords entirely. This approach could significantly reduce 13103 errors by simplifying the login process and making it more secure against credential theft. Regulations like the EU's Digital Operational Resilience Act and US FTC guidelines are influencing PayPal's security measures, leading to stricter login auditing and more temporary error 13113 locks. The EU's Digital Operational Resilience Act, effective January 17, 2025, impacts financial entities like PayPal. It requires robust risk management, resilience testing, and creates a uniform European legal framework for digital operations. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission's safeguard rules emphasize compliance to protect client data. These guidelines include legal standards, file management, and security measures as shown in the compliance icons. As a result of these regulations, PayPal implements stricter login auditing, which can trigger more temporary error 13113 locks to prevent unauthorized access. These regulatory changes highlight the importance of user education on secure login practices to minimize error 13113 occurrences. By understanding and following secure practices, users can better navigate these stricter security measures. In July 2025, a major incident occurred that affected PayPal users worldwide. PayPal experienced a server glitch that impacted millions of users. The glitch originated from a problem in PayPal's network infrastructure, causing widespread connectivity issues. This triggered error 13113 en masse, with users experiencing login failures and account lockouts lasting for hours. Users reported being unable to access their accounts, with the issue persisting until PayPal implemented an emergency rollback. PayPal's emergency rollback fixed the problem, restoring access for affected users. This case underscores how error 13113 can stem from broader infrastructure problems, with over 10,000 threads documenting the issue on PayPal's community forums. Consider this real case of fraud prevention success. A PayPal user received an email notification about unusual sign-in activity originating from Russia and Moscow using Kali Linux and Firefox browser. The suspicious login triggered PayPal error 13113, which automatically blocked the attempt. This error acted as a security gatekeeper, preventing potential account takeover. To resolve and strengthen security, the user enabled two-factor authentication. This added an extra verification step requiring a code from their device. This case demonstrates how proactive security measures, like error detection and 2FA, can effectively thwart phishing attempts and protect user accounts from fraud. From a cybersecurity perspective, experts consider PayPal error 3113 a necessary evil in the fight against fraud. This login failure serves as a critical safeguard against unauthorized account access. Rather than just an inconvenience, the error acts as a prompt to implement stronger security practices, such as enabling multi-factor authentication or updating passwords regularly. This approach helps users proactively protect their accounts while acknowledging the role of such measures in maintaining overall digital security. PayPal's 2025 annual report shows that login-related errors like 13113 account for 2 to 3% of all support tickets. These errors saw a 40% increase in 2024, largely due to enhanced security measures implemented by PayPal. A 2026 survey by Statista found that 25% of PayPal users experience at least one login error annually, with 80% resolving these issues independently through basic troubleshooting. However, in 10 to 15% of unresolved cases, the error persists, often linked to human error, such as forgotten passwords or incorrect account details. Globally, fintech login error rates have dropped 15% since 2023, thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence and fraud prevention technology. For developers integrating PayPal APIs, error 13113 often indicates issues with API credentials or rate limiting. When your application tries to connect to PayPal's servers, incorrect keys or too many requests can trigger this authentication failure. Common causes include misconfigured API keys, where your client ID or secret doesn't match PayPal's records, or exceeding rate limits that restrict how many API calls you can make per minute. To resolve this, visit PayPal's developer portal to verify your API credentials and check your rate limit usage. The portal provides tools to monitor your API calls and ensure proper configuration, which can reduce transaction failures by up to 15%. Regional restrictions play a significant role in PayPal error 130113. PayPal must comply with international sanctions imposed by governments, particularly the United States. This means users in certain countries face access limitations. As shown on this world map, countries colored in red are subject to U.S. sanctions since 1962. These restrictions prevent PayPal from operating fully in these regions. When users in sanctioned countries attempt to log in, PayPal's compliance checks trigger authentication failures, resulting in error 3113. The lock icon represents these restrictions. To resolve this, users need to switch to alternative payment processors like Stripe or Visa, which may have different regional policies. This ensures continued access to payment services while navigating geopolitical compliance challenges. Looking ahead to future trends in authentication, passwordless logins using passkeys are expected to significantly reduce credential-related errors like PayPal error 3113. Passkeys provide a secure alternative to passwords by using biometric or device-based verification. Here's how the sign-in process works with passkeys. Authentication factors are categorized into knowledge, possession, and inherence. Passkeys leverage possession and inherence for stronger security. Experts predict a 50% drop in authentication failures through adaptive security measures that incorporate AI and machine learning. Future developments may include blockchain-based decentralized logins and quantum-resistant encryption, phasing out traditional passwords entirely. Error codes can evolve with platform changes. Regularly check PayPal's official support or community forums for the latest updates and troubleshooting tips. Also, review PayPal announcements for new features. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve PayPal error 13113. Remember to prioritize account security and stay informed about PayPal's latest updates to ensure a smooth user experience.